too white and nerdy. Can't you see I'm white and nerdy? Look at me, I'm white and nerdy.
Until we got this gum. It transformed us. The evolved ecosystem of a modern day Hollywood glamorous pasta! I'm here with Sandy from the experimental lab. Sandy, it was mentioned earlier that this gum transforms the said chewer of said gum. How does this gum transform you exactly?
Well, you see, the particles of the gum base mixed with the eccentric flavor molecules results in an overall transformation of the subject chewing the gum.
Wow! Now, we are chewing some gum right now, and I can feel myself making the transformation as we speak.
What did she say? What you say?
I'm a completely new person.
Once I started chewing this gum, I noticed that I feel more happy than ever.
Try these new great and exciting flavors.
Show me the side streets in your life.
Metamorph Pop is not responsible for any unexpected symptoms such as sneezing, itchy feet, sneezing while itching your feet, fainting, heart attack, seizure, stroke, or death.